What's up, guys? Tennessee Outlaw here. As I promised, I was going to make a video on this little lamp right here, me replacing it. It just now came in. Sorry if I sound a little bit tired. I just woke up. I have work in a few minutes. But here's the lamp. I hope it matches this one. And it does look like it does. So I'm going to show y'all how to install that. I'm not really sure how to install it myself, but it looks simple enough. It looks like it just has like a little clip. Pop the hood. This video is probably going to be a short one because it really don't look hard at all. I don't even think I need any screws or anything. Oh, my radiator hose is in the way. Alright, so I'm pretty sure back here I'm needing to twist this bulb clockwise or counterclockwise. Yeah, counterclock. Pull that out, and then there's this little clip on the other side. That old one pops out like that, as you can see. I don't know if you could have seen that clip a little bit, but there's the little clip that you have to pop out. And once that pops out, it just pops that little assembly piece off. Let me get all of this one ready. I don't know if my camera is set up good right there or not to really see it, but let me tilt it up a little bit. My phone might fall over, but it'll be alright. I hope this one is the right one because I didn't really look at the sizes. I mean, I looked up to see if it would fit a 94 Volvo 940, and it says it does. But look how shiny that is. I might even get some headlights soon for it. But the way that online says, it just kind of gets in those little grooves right there and just kind of snaps in. It's not in all the way. Dogs are barking because I just came outside, so they think it's somebody who just pulled up in the driveway. Let me use both hands real quick. Okay, I think I see what's going on. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh wow, that was really easy. Yeah, this snaps in like that easy. So what you have to do, you see that little chrome piece right there, there's one on the bottom. There's like a little notch that sticks up. Make sure that's aligned or you end up breaking it like I almost did. But that's in now. Grab your light. I'm sorry, my camera angles is not that good. Stick it in here. Turn it clockwise. And it looks like it's in there pretty good. I gotta change out the socket because there's rust from where the rain got a hold of it. I think, I don't know, they might be a little bit different. I mean, they don't look different on camera, but that one does look a lot clearer than this one. Obviously it does because that's a newer one. And why is my chickens out? Okay. Leave my chickens alone, dog. Let's see if my turn signal works. Because that daggum socket is bad and barely any movement of that little socket. My turn signal won't work. Oh my goodness, and my keys ain't even in here. Yeah, I thought I left my keys in here. Yeah, I left them in here because I got home from work. Didn't take them out. my windows are down, so somebody was out here in my car. I don't know. I'll check it later. But that's how you install that little piece. That's literally as easy as it is. So if you guys enjoyed that little small video of showing how to install that little piece, drop a like on this video, subscribe, share it. But anyways, guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's Tennessee Outlaw signing out.